Like that? Yeah? Good. Anyway, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Reggie B. Today I'm going to show you great exercises on how to build and strengthen your bench press. So, a lot of people, when they're doing it, either they're thinking of dumbbells or they're just thinking of just hitting heavy presses every time you go into the gym. That's really good on building a strong, solid upper body and to strengthen your bench press, but you want to switch up your routines. So today I'm at Barbell Brigade. I'm going to use weighted chains, and I'm going to show you a few exercises that's going to strengthen those triceps, strengthen your chest by doing body weight with the chains, and then I'm going to use a barbell with the chains on it. Not only that, I'm going to show you a good exercise on how to build that upper chest slash shoulder, because I'm going to have the shoulder press with the weighted chains. I'm going to explain as the video goes on why the shoulder press is really strong at building your chest. So keep that in mind when doing these exercises. Keep good form. You guys ready? Let's get it. Alright guys, so we're going to start this routine off with some dips, but not just ordinary dips. Dips with the weighted chain. Using the chain, which I'm going to show you on every single exercise that I perform today, is very beneficial because one, it helps strengthen your core, and you need strong core to do the exercises that I'm going to show you today. And not only that, to keep you on point when you're in the gym, period. Without a strong core, it's like cutting down a tree. Once you cut the core down, everything falls down with it. So if you don't have a strong foundation, the whole body can't really keep itself up. So the chains help build a strong core, and then two, it helps keep your stabilized movement. So it keeps you from using that momentum of how some people do the swinging and moving back and forth. The chains have a free motion of jiggling around, so you really have to keep that mind muscle control to keep yourself from moving the way you would usually do if you didn't have the chains. Not only that, it helps build strength, because that's the only way that you're going to improve and strengthen these specific muscles that target the bench press. So the muscles that I have you target and focused on is the tricep, which helps the bench press, the chest, of course, and for those that don't understand why I'm hitting shoulders to build a strong bench press, is because the shoulder press hits the same similar muscles that the bench press uses. So you see me pushing all the way up at the top on the lockout. What do you think you're focused on? The tricep. And as I'm going all the way down that the bar gets towards my chin, a little bit of the upper chest is being contracted. Same thing as vice versa when you're hitting incline bench. What muscle is being contracted? Your upper chest and a little bit of the interior delt. So if you have strong interior delts, your bench press will definitely improve big time. So just keep in mind that it's very important to have that mind muscle control throughout this entire routine, because having those chains on is going to put a lot of tension onto your muscle. So we're not working out on endurance that you're just knocking out reps, high volume. No, we want that nice, slow, controlled, contracted reps throughout every single set that you're doing today, because that's the only way you're going to build. You have to put your muscle on that high overload tension, and using the chains is definitely going to improve your overall strength and performance in the gym. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I feel amazing. I don't know, I just think it's the vibe from being out here and being in these specific gyms and just feeling the energy, man, because I feel hyped right now. I just did a great exercise and routine, and I still feel like I'm energized without any pre-workout. So the next time you go to the gym and you have access to weighted chains, throw this into your routine, and I can guarantee as time goes on, if you keep consistent, your bench press and just all around part of your exercise will change, and not only that, you'll get a lot stronger, because these exercises build strength, and that's what we're trying to do when we're in the gym. So remember, hit that notification button so you know when my next video comes out. It's your boy Reggie B. Like my video, subscribe to my video so your boy can be back. And if you do that, I'll be real proud of you.
emphasis complete.